Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing something I've been waiting to do for I don't know how long, shut up phone. And I'm going to try out DevaCurl products. Gonna try that out, see what it does, and if it's really for black people hair, because I've been seeing that it doesn't really work for coarse hair. It's for the mixed people or the Caucasians. So I want to see what it does. I don't have the typical 4C hair. I have some 4C around the edges, but you know, I just want to see if it defines my curls and if it's moisturizing. So yeah, let's get to it. I have, ew, that's gross. I have wet my hair. All I've had in it was some Eco Stellar gel. So I did a wash and go like a couple days ago. That didn't last long. It lasted about one day. And yeah, so let's see. It was starting to flake, so I'm about to shut up talking and we're about to see how well this DevaCurl stuff works. Now I have, so it's the DevaCurl One Condition, the original. This is the Daily Cream Conditioner. This is the No Poo Original, which is zero lather conditioning cleanser. So those are these two. So I'm gonna use that. So yeah, let's go. And this is the travel size, so I don't know how that's gonna work. I do have a water bottle in case my hair gets dry, so I don't know what it smells like. So it's thick. Yeah, let's see how it goes. I don't think I like the smell. And now it smells like peppermint. Well, since it doesn't lather, so I don't know how it's gonna work. It went into the hair smoothly real quick, so I'm about to go off camera and wash my hair fully and then come back to you and put the conditioner in. So, okay, I'll be back. So, I am back from co-washing my hair. It was very tingly. Like, I could feel the stimulating stuff, the ingredients that it had in it. My hair feels good. I don't like that it doesn't lather up because it doesn't like ensure me that it's working properly. You know what I'm trying to say. But yeah. So I used it about like 4 times because I didn't know if my hair was clean as I wanted it to be because it didn't lather. So yeah, use that whole 3-ounce bottle. Now I'm going to use the Daily Cream Conditioner to condition my hair. This one smells like soap. Yeah, this one smells like soap. We're gonna see how this one goes. I like the smell of it, it just smells like soap. And this is what it looks like. Focus. There it is. And let's see if my hair likes it. Oh, it feels good going on. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna try to. Yeah, I'm not gonna try to detangle my hair with that. No. I mean, it soaks into my hair, which is pretty good. Smells like soap, but I'm laying it, that's alright. Probably gonna use the whole 3-ounce bottle on one side of my hair. So I'm gonna finish this side and I'll come back to you. Okay, so buddy, I want you styling my hair. We're gonna see how this stuff works. And I don't know if these two DevaCurl products go together, but we're about to see in a second. Okay, so this one is the DevaCurl styling cream. This is touchable, curl definer, and I guess this just defines the curls, just a cream. Oh, that stinks. You know, like it tastes like the lime powder that you get at the convenience store next to the liquor. That's what that smells like. Like, you know how it tastes, that's what it smells like. Anyways, but this one is the light defining gel. This one has a soft coat, no crunch styler. I don't know if you put these two together or not, or if they're gonna mix both together, but we're about to see right now. So, no talking. I'm pretty sure my facial expressions will tell all. So I'll see you at the end of this video. Yeah, these products together are not going to go together. They're just not on it. It's going to flake. It does have a light bulb for sure. I mean, my hair smells good. Not much for that at all. It's dry as hell. Yeah, this might be in a 2 ponytail bun. I don't know. We gonna see what it look like when it dries up. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All the content comes down below in the description box. And see you in the next video. Bye. Fuck it up.